Welcome back. In a moment, you're going to meet Betsy. She's 73 and was having severe foot pain and burning. She was also having trouble sleeping, and it all limited her activity. Well, now, thanks to a personalized plan that included pain relief, nutrition, and supplements, she's back on the pickleball court. Betsy is here to tell us more about her unique plan that helped her heal from the inside out. She thanks Stacy Roberts with New You Health and Wellness for her return to the court. Hi, ladies.
Hey, Molly.
Betsy, it's so great to meet you. You're an inspiration. Just seeing that picture of you on that paddleboard, and I know that you inspire Stacy too. Talk about the first. Look at you there. I mean, isn't that amazing, Stacy?
It is completely. She was like a world champion or a national champion or something with paddleboarding.
Yeah.
Wow, good for you, Betsy. So, what first brought you to New You Health and Wellness?
The pain in my feet, I was searching for anything that would maybe help. And I, took the traditional route and, with medication, and it helped a little, but not all. And I had developed a sedentary lifestyle because my feet hurt. And I saw an ad on Facebook for Stacy, and I was up for trying just about anything.
I can relate to foot pain. How is it affecting your daily life?
It was awful. I mean, I would just sit, and had been a very active person, and sitting when you're not on your feet, I didn't have as much pain, certainly, but it wasn't gone either. So I came to see Stacy, and even within the first treatment, I noticed a difference, a big difference. And it kept me coming back because every time was better and better. No pain, I slept better. I got my life back.
That is incredible. We're looking at some video here, Stacy, of SoftWave Therapy. This is what you used on Betsy's feet?
Yep, that's one of the things we did with SoftWave Therapy, and then she's doing that kind of as a maintenance program as well, so she can stay competitive in the pickleball court, and that's helping decrease that inflammation by bringing blood flow to the area, and it accelerates the healing process, so people get better faster than I've ever seen before in 30 years.
It's incredible what SoftWave can do. Tiff and I can attest to that also. And Betsy, you didn't stop there. After SoftWave treatment was helping your feet, so then you were probably sleeping better and feeling a whole lot better on your feet, you combined other components of a personalized program created just for you, right?
Yes, absolutely. I also did the food sensitivity test, and to eliminate the foods, or certainly to identify them, that were causing inflammation. So I was steering clear of those, and or adding them back slowly, little by little. And so yeah.
And she worked a lot on her gut health as well. We streamlined her supplementation because there's so many things out there and nobody knows what to take and when.
Yes.
So we were able to work around the conventional treatment that she was getting with the supplements, as well as the other things that really helped her move the needle even more.
That's incredible. So you were able to return to pickleball and gardening and all the things you love.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I have a huge garden, and very proud of it. And I'm outside all the time. Yeah, pickleball. Love pickleball.
It's
She's not competitive at all.
It's so cute to see you in your garden and on the pickleball court. It's got to feel so good. And I mean, you look absolutely phenomenal, Betsy, for 73. I can't believe you're 73. But what would you say to other people your age or even older who are like, oh, it's too late. I've had this pain forever. There's nothing that can be done.
I tell everybody, come in, visit. It made a world of difference to me. Get active, it's not just feet, it's all body parts. And you got to stay active and keep your body moving, or you're not going to be moving.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And Stacy, she mentioned it's not just feet. There are other areas that you can treat with your pain-free program besides the feet. I know you've had a lot of success with feet, but there are other areas.
Absolutely. So knees, shoulders, hips, backs, really any musculoskeletal issue that you would normally think of going to a physical therapist or orthopedic for, we can help with that and other things as well too. We really look at you holistically. We look at you not just a body part, but what can we do from the gut? What can we do hormones wise that help with your body to be more anti-inflammatory, really to get you, like Betsy said, to be active. Nobody wants to be sitting around and not doing the things that they love.
Those things that they enjoy. Betsy, it was so great talking to you. Congratulations on your journey. I mean, to be virtually pain-free, but also just feeling better overall means so much. And I know that gives you a lot of satisfaction too, Stacy. Thank you both so much for joining us.
Thanks, Molly.
Appreciate it. Right now, New You Health and Wellness is offering a trial of that SoftWave therapy that helped Betsy so much. It's just $47 to chat with Stacy and to try the treatment. You can call to see if you qualify for this therapy to address muscle and joint pain. Here's the number. It's 414-299-8121. You can also learn more from Stacy on her new podcast. It's called The Pain-Free Formula. She also has a book with the same name, and it is available in her clinic in Wauwatosa or on Amazon.